how to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. So if you want to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox, then make sure that you're logged into your account and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, after opening your Roblox, you'll land to this kind of page. Now you need to tap on the more section, which will be on the bottom right. Like this, you will have more, tap on it. And from more, you need to scroll down and go with the settings option right here. Tap on it. And under settings, you need to go with the account info option, which is on the first. Now, as you can see that you will have this kind of interface. There's no specific reason why the add phone number option may be missing in the Roblox, but most probably it's because you've already added your email address here. Often when an email address is added, the associated phone number is automatically verified along with it. And as soon as you verify your email address, your phone number should also be verified for the application. Or the next thing we can check is if your age is above the minimum requirement. And if you've not verified your age, then you may not have the add phone number option. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.